how to fix this error on your Rockstar game. So basically, error code 123. So if this is happening, there's one way you can fix this. I mean, we're gonna show you one way. So that is pretty much just reinstalling the launcher. So to do this, go ahead to your command prompt or control panel, sorry. So search for your control panel and then open up programs. And then once you're in your programs, you can go ahead and search for your Rockstar Games launcher. Click on that and then just press on uninstall. Make sure your Rockstar launcher is also closed as well before you're doing this. But anyways, once you've done that, you can go ahead and see this little page right here. This will pop out once you press on uninstall. Make sure this is toggled off, so this will allow you to keep your other games. You can just go ahead and scan for it later. What we're going to do now is just uninstalling the launcher itself and not the games you've installed. So toggle this off and then press on uninstall. So it's just gonna go ahead and do its thing. It's gonna uninstall, and when it's finished, go ahead and close that. Go out to your preferred browser and search for the Rockstar Games launcher again. Press on download for Windows or for your device, of course, and just download it again. Then just go ahead and install it. Choose your languages and choose wherever file you want it to be. And once you've done that, it's just gonna go ahead and do its installation process. So inside your launcher, if your games look like this, let's say Red Dead Redemption, if it says install now, even though you already did it before, just go ahead over here into the game settings, your specific game, and then just press on the scan now. It's just gonna go ahead and scan the files that you didn't delete, and something like this will pop out. So existing installation discovered. Just go ahead and press on OK, and that's it. Just go back to your game and then play the game that you want to play, of course. So hopefully this way does work for you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.